Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a wise farmer who had three strong and handsome sons. Despite their physical strength, the brothers were constantly quarreling with one another. The farmer was deeply worried about their constant fighting and often advised them to live in peace and unity, but his words fell on deaf ears. One day, after witnessing yet another heated argument among his sons, the farmer decided it was time to teach them a valuable lesson about the importance of unity. He called them together and asked each son to bring him a bundle of sticks. When they returned with the sticks tied together, he handed the bundle to each of them in turn and asked them to try to break it. The sons pulled and pushed with all their might, but despite their efforts, none could break the bundle. They grew tired and frustrated, unable to understand why they couldn't succeed. The farmer then smiled knowingly and untied the bundle, handing each son a single stick. "Now, try to break these," he instructed. The sons quickly snapped the individual sticks with ease. Confused, the oldest son scratched his head and asked, "Father, what does this mean?" The farmer replied gently, "My dear sons, you are like these sticks. When you are united as a bundle, no enemy can harm you. But when you are divided and alone like these single sticks, you can be easily broken." The brothers listened intently as their father continued, "If you support one another and stand together in times of trouble, you will be strong and resilient. But if you continue to fight among yourselves, you will be vulnerable to any threat." Realizing the wisdom in their father's words, the three sons exchanged glances filled with understanding. They promised to set aside their differences and support each other from that day forward. From that moment on, the brothers worked together on the farm, helping one another with their chores and facing challenges as a united front. Their bond grew stronger with each passing day, and they became known in the village not just for their strength, but also for their unwavering support of one another. The moral of the story is clear: unity is strength. Together we are stronger. This tale serves as a timeless reminder that working together fosters resilience and security against adversity.